So students, welcome back to the channel of mine where we try to make mathematics way more fun. And today we're going to be continuing our Determinant school series. And sorry for the background noise. I had to turn on the fan today because I thought it was way too hot to turn off. But maybe one day I'll get an essay which will resolve this issue. For now, please wait. Today we're focusing on solving a few questions. Let's see this one. Let me give three equations: ax plus hy plus g equals 0, hx plus by plus f equals 0, hx plus by plus f equals 0, and third equation says gx plus fy plus c equals not 0, k. Now I have been asked to find out the value of k. And our options are ABC minus 2fg, ABC minus 2fg, option 1, ABC minus 2fg minus f square minus bg square minus ch square over ab minus a square. Option B is everything is going to be same except this minus and over there. This is a plus. Everything else is same. Actually, I already here as well. 2fgh minus a square minus b square c square over ab minus a square. Option C says 0 or option D says none of the above. Okay, now let's solve this. Before I dive into this, I would recommend you guys trying it on your own, because mathematics is at the end of the day how much input you can put into the subject. It's not like some other subjects where you just have to take information and hope that they will just stay in your mind. This is a subject where you have to fully input yourself. So let's try solving this one. Hope you're done with trying on yourself. If you are done, definitely let me know what answer is. So let's get into it. First, let's reorganize these equations. You can rewrite this as you can subtract g from both sides. And this would become ax plus hy equals negative g. You can name this the first equation. This one you can do the same, and this will become hx plus by equals negative f. And let's let the third one remain the same. Now, because the reason we did that is because we have two variables x and y. First of all, we have been asked to find out the value of a where without x and y, because the options are like the options don't have x and y in them. That means we have to find the value of x and y in terms of the constant quantities: a, h, g, b, f, all that stuff, c, all that stuff. So we are going to solve x and y. And since we have two variables to solve, just two equations will get the job. Okay. So now let's do it. I can rewrite this as x equals g minus 8y or a x equals g minus h5 over a. Now for the second equation, no, actually, you know what? You can definitely do it the regular way, the algebraic way. But first, this chapter is about determinants, apparent determinants. So let us touch on using those. Let's create the first determinant later. Which one would be a h. Second column will consist h and b. H and b. This would be a minus h square. Now delta x is gonna be h b. It's gonna have h and b in the second column. In the first column, it's gonna have negative g and negative f. This would become negative gv minus negative of hf, so that would become just plus hf, gv minus v plus hf, or we can write this as hf minus gv. Delta y would become would have a and h in this first column, and second column would have negative g and negative f. This would become negative of af minus negative of gh. So we can write this as negative of af plus gh, or gh minus or gf. This one is not gf. Let's take it as gh minus af. Now the value of x is going to be delta x over x over delta. So that's going to be hx minus gv over ab minus h square. So y is going to be delta y over delta. Sorry for the background noise. Please bear with me. It will become gh minus h minus f over e minus h. Now we can use the help of the third equation. It says k is gx plus fy plus c, and we know what is x and what is y. X is this, and y is this. So we can substitute values of x and y for that. So let's do that with that. This equation says k is gx plus fy plus c, or g times the value of x, that is hf minus gh over ab minus h square plus f times the value of y, that is gh minus af over ab minus h square plus c. So this would become GHF minus HG square over AB minus H square plus GHF minus AF square over AB minus H square plus C. Now the LCM is going to be AB minus H square, of course. Here we have GHF minus HG square plus GHF minus AF square plus ABC minus minus CT square. This can be simplified as ABC plus like this one 2GH. If you guys are thinking why am I not letting it like GFH, because this quantity does not have GF, just like this. Don't get serious guys, I'm just joking. GHF minus actually yeah, let us do it minus. Let us say G square minus A square minus CA square plus ABC over AB minus H square. Now see which option which this one match to. This one says ABC plus ABC positive 2GHF, positive 2GHF, negative A square, negative A square, negative BG square, negative. How did this become H square? This should become BG square. I sincerely recognize what trigonometric options. So this one just BG square. Delta x is going to be minus g minus f minus g minus f h and minus g plus h or h minus g h minus g. GD here, not GH. Sorry for the mistake. B here. B here as well. And now option should be negative BG square, negative BG square, negative C square, negative C square, and the denominator we have positive AB, negative H square, negative H square. So the answer is option B. This one. Okay. Solving one more question over here. This one says that 1 over x plus 1 over y 1 over z equals to 1. 4x plus 1 over y plus 3 over z equals 0, and what is it? 1 over x plus y plus 4 over z is 3. Now we will ask how many solutions of x plus y equals z are. Options are 1, he says 5, he says infinitely many, and this is 0. when they ask that if these equations are true, then how many possible solutions of x and y are there? Now we can definitely go ahead and try to take the LCM of the equations there, and you first you would have take y z plus x plus xy. That is going to become a lot more complicated. We're going to simplify this. Definitely, I would recommend you guys giving it from your own. Then this time we won't probably this as it is in the simpler this will be. Then the assume as it is. Okay. Hope you are done trying on your own. Now let's begin with it. Let's show that look at the options. There's one option that is not going to be possible at any cost. Can you guys find out what that will be? I will do this one because there are five possible solutions for the variables. But you know that there is no possibility of five of the number of possible solutions will be five. It will be one equal solution. One is solution for the variables, infinite solution for the variable, or infinitely many solutions for the variables. So, of course, you cannot have five solutions. Now, let's get into it. Let's find the assumption for that A equals B equals 1 over x, B equals 1 over y, I equals 1 over c. Now, you might ask, why did I do this? I why did I do this? I did this because this is going to simplify things a lot easier. This is going to make it from that because now we won't have to take the LCM on this one. We can just solve for p, q, and r, and after we get values of q and r, we will just take this because of them those, and those will be the values of x and y. Actually, don't even need to do that. We just need to find out how many concentrations of people are there, and we'll be good. Okay, because the number of possible solutions for you are of course the same as number of possible solutions for x, y, z. So just get into that step. Okay. Now let's write our equation in terms of p, q, and r. First one will become p plus q, r equals 1. Next one will become 2 times 1 over x, you can read both times 1 over x, plus 5 times 1 over y, plus 3 times 1 over z equals 0. And we know that what is the value of 1 over x, 1 over z are. So you can plug in those values. 1 over x is p, so that's 2p, then 1 over y is q. Of 1 over y right here, and 1 over z is r, so instead of r right. Sorry, yeah, okay. 1 over instead of 1 over z right, just r. This is 0. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. Now the third one, where p is 2 times 1 over y, that is 2q. 4 times 1 over z, that is 4 times r. Value of this is 3. Now I have to erase this stuff. Hope you are done with taking this one. I mean, actually I would recommend that because at first I would recommend you guys try to comprehend what is going on, try to figure out what is going on there, and then you can maybe try to solve it once again. Or maybe you can put there, you can note things down, but right now this was on RCQ. Okay. Now, whether it is determinants, such determinants would be called factor. So the coefficients of the variables. So 1, 1, then 1, 5, and 1, 3. Okay, now let us simplify this. You can subtract the second row from the first one. So here it is 0. I'm gonna get what this step bit first because I have already I have already gone to how it needs to go here. Minus 3 minus 1. We will do the same here. Let's subtract this 2 from this one. From 0 to minus 2. And above this would be 1 times minus 3 times minus 2 minus 1 times 2. This would be 6 minus 6 plus 2 is 8. So the value of magnet delta is 8. Here delta is delta x or delta p. You have the values of the equation corresponding column. First column you have 1 0 3. Very simple. 1 2 1 3 4. So again we can simplify this. Actually, you know what? Let me remove this step on my own. Actually, I must one part here actually. Part is on that. I will notice that the value of an here is a non-zero. That means the only way this will be possible is there is only one possible set of solutions for all the plane. That means we will not have to proceed further. You know that delta is 8. That means there are only one possible solution. There is only one possible set of solution for variables here. Now, our answer would be option. Okay.